well, all we can do is wait until the do you think, well, if you think that's a bad idea, then I won't do it. But that's why I ran first, to see if you wanted us to ring 999. Right, well, we'll just hang around until we get here, that's all I can do. Okay, thank you. So can I take your name, sorry, as well? Angelo, right, that's brilliant. Thanks, Angelo. Okay, cheers.